Alright, number 7 tells us that we are to classify each quadrilateral as specifically as possible if BE, EG, and FD all equal 2. So if that's 2, that's 2, and that's 2. Now we need to classify these. Then we have to find the area. So in the first blank, we'll classify it. Kite, rhombus, parallelogram, whatever. Second blank, we will find the area. All right, so quadrilateral A, E, C, F. So here's what I know. Okay, if this is 2, this is right here, and this is 3, it's a right triangle, I can find out what this side is. Okay, if that's 2 and that's 3, then we are going to, we'll work it over here. 2 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. That's going to be 4 plus 9 equals C squared. If I take the C squared equals 13, so that means C would have to equal the square root of 13. Alright, that's this side right here. That's the hypotenuse. The square root of 13. If that's the square root of 13, then this is as well, because they have the same measures. Alright, so if these are equal, those are consecutive. Consecutive sides are parallel there. By definition, a kite, it sounds like it's going to be a kite. Kite has 2 pairs of consecutive congruent sides. I believe it's 2 pairs. Go back over here. Look at kite. Yeah. Okay. If I look back here, you can use your test to help you. Quadrilateral with 2 pairs of congruent consecutive sides. So that means, coming back over here to number 7. Alright, if I can prove that these are congruent, AF and CF, then I can make this happen. Alright, if that's 3 and that's 4, I know my Pythagorean theorem would give me 5 feet there, same measurement over here, 5 feet, so I have 2 pairs of congruent consecutive sides. So this is going to be a kite. When I find the area is 1/2 D1 times D2 for a kite. Alright, we're dealing with a smaller kite inside. This diagonal is 6. This diagonal, this diagonal is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. This diagonal is 6. That's unusual. Alright, so it's 1/2 of 6 times 6, 1/2 of 36, which is 18. So the area is 18 feet squared. Alright, same thing for quadrilateral ABCF. ABCF. That's not the big one, it's just from boom, 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 boom. Alright, let's see. Actually, this may not be a kite. This one may not be a kite, huh? Quadrilateral A, E, C. If that's square root of 3 and that's square root of 3, oh yeah, it's a kite. I'm sorry. I was thinking it might be a rhombus, but they're different. They're different lengths. Let's try this one. Boom, boom. This one may be a rhombus. Let's figure it out. If this is the square root of 3 and that's 2, we can't really find this. Yeah, we can. We can find from A to B by looking at this whole thing. We have 3, 4, and that's 5. Right? If this is 3 and that's 4, 2 plus 2, that's 4, then this whole thing is 5. 3, 4. This whole thing is 5. That's 5 and that's 5. So this is a rhombus. How about that? That's a rhombus. Area of a rhombus is the same as the area of a kite. 1/2 D1 times D2, diagonal 1. Alright, we'll call this diagonal 1 from there to there is going to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Diagonal 2 is from there to there. Again, it's going to be 6. 1/2 of 48 is 24. So this is area equals 24 feet squared. Alright, not too bad.